Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Pearl TV again. So ayun guys, nagka-time ako maupo ngayong gabi. Maghapon ako guys, sobrang busy. Super coping up with mga backlogs ako. Grabe. Ay, parang walang pahinga talaga si mother. Yung last Wednesday is my last day of work. Tapos Thursday may nasikaso ako outside. And then Friday rest ng kaunti. Sobrang pagod din kasi ng Thursday maghapon kami siya sa labas, may mga importanteng inasikaso. Thursday pahinga, Friday pahinga, tapos kahapon naman Saturday for the labas kami ng bahay, punta kami sa ophthalmologist ni siya. Sobrang tagal, Diyos ko, we waited for 3 hours before we got accommodated. Okay, my God, sabi 2 hours ang appointment namin, tapos pagdating na sobrang tagal. So that's what I hate when we went to hospital. Okay, so doctor's hospital. And then, ayun, buhay nanay talaga sobrang Kaya nga sabi ko kay mister ko, kung may trabaho ako, hindi ko yan magagawa talaga. Kasi it really needs time. It takes time. Ayun. So, since back to homework na tayo, it doesn't mean na homework lang talaga. There are things that you need to settle outside from time to time. Okay? So, ayun. And, ayun, yung mga home business ko, tuloy pa rin. My home business, what are my home business? It's my popcorn business, my YouTube business, and then selling condo units, house and lot, okay? So, tuloy tayo doon. Ayun. At sa mga gustong bumili ng house and lot, PM nyo lang ako, guys. We have house and lot in Cavite. Ayan, bibenta tayo dyan, Batangas, Laguna. Okay, we have in Bulacan. And if you want to invest in condo unit, guys, we're selling condo units. Okay, meron tayo. It's under Mega World. Okay? Yan. Sabihan nyo lang ako and we will assist you sa site for the free tripping. Okay? Papakita sa inyo yung location. Ayan, sasamahan kayo manager ko. So, ganun lang, guys. Maganda naman mag-invest. Sometimes, yesterday pala, my friend used to inquire about the condo unit. And din niya, sabi ko, it's a beautiful investment kasi, why? When you buy condo unit, and then afterwards, kung gusto mong maging income generating at hindi pong pa naman titirhan, pwede mong parentahan, paupahan ba? Okay? So, if you have 3 units of condominium, paupahan mo. And the payments, you can use that for paying the monthly dues, diba? So, ganun lang yun eh. Kung merong kaya mo namang bayaran na yung move-in fee, yung reservation fee, so ganun. So, try to invest in condominium if you have the means if you can afford, okay? So, maganda namang investment, guys eh. Wala nang talo. May mga kaibigan ako na bumibili ng condominium na 3, 2, pinaparentahan lang nila. Kaya hindi naman nila tirahan eh. Magandang income source kasi din. Okay? You're just sleeping and you're earning. Okay? So, yun. Sa mga when we say investment, the money, hindi mo kailangan yung money for anything else. You just want to invest that and you want that investment to have a revenue in the future. Okay? So, ayun guys. Talk to me lang guys ha. Kung may mga gusto sa inyong bumili ng house and lot. Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Bulacan. Okay? So, meron tayo yan. And then insurance, guys. May mga friend ako na nagme-message sa akin that they are selling insurance. Okay naman yung insurance. Educational plan for kids. And then, life and health insurance. Okay naman yun. Okay, so why not try to invest? It's kind of investment naman din eh. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. God bless.